If Earth had an edge, it might look like this. The edge of a flat Earth. It's hard not to think about it sometimes. Imagine a solar eclipse on a flat Earth, or trees growing at odd angles. And of course, NASA guarding a giant wall of ice. Flat Earth theories are creative, but what if they were right? A long time ago, people believed Earth was flat. Everything was thought to circle around it. Then came Copernicus, who said Earth wasn't flat and orbited the Sun. Now, 500 years later, some still think Earth is flat. Why are planets round? One word, gravity. It pulls everything evenly from all sides, forming a sphere. But flat earthers don't believe in gravity. They say something pushes Earth upward. But this can't go on forever. You'd end up going too fast, feeling like a burnt pancake yet. If gravity did exist on a flat Earth, it would be weird. Everything would be pulled toward the center, making it hard to walk to the edge. You wouldn't see the tall wall of ice at the edge of Antarctica. Gravity near the edge would make things fall sideways, and trees would grow slanted, reaching against gravity. Rain, snow, and oceans would all head to the center, leaving the edges without air or water. People near the center would struggle to breathe, while those at the edge would have no air at all. Without a round Earth, there wouldn't be a magnetic field. Nothing would hold the atmosphere in place, and it would drift off into space. We'd be left with no air to breathe, and exposed to dangerous radiation from the sun. I hope you've got a backup plan for oxygen. Now about the sun and moon. Flat earthers say they circle above Earth like spotlights. But if that were true, we'd see the sun all the time. Without day and night, how would we sleep? Even seasons wouldn't exist. If the sun stayed the same size and orbited Earth, we'd be too close and burn up. If it were smaller, we'd freeze because there wouldn't be enough sunlight. Earth would be much bigger than it is now, so we'd only get a small part of the energy we need to survive. What about lunar eclipses? Flat Earth followers think there's an anti-moon causing them. But on a round Earth, eclipses happen when Earth is between the sun and moon. On a flat Earth, it would need some tricky alignment to make that work. If the flat Earth theory were true, it would open the door to all sorts of conspiracies. But in the end, flat earthers are stuck in a belief that doesn't match reality. Just because you can find evidence for anything online doesn't make it real. Even Copernicus might have second-guessed himself if he'd watched enough conspiracy videos. And have you heard of donut-shaped Earth? Well, that's a story for another day.